Welcome back to the Success Blueprints channel. In our last video, we discussed common crypto mistakes to avoid. Today, we're shifting gears to help you navigate the crypto world successfully with the top 5 investment strategies perfect for beginners. These are the exact strategies I used when I first started, and they've helped me tremendously along the way. Let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with dollar cost averaging, or DCA. Instead of trying to time the market, which is pretty much impossible, you invest a set amount of money at regular intervals. This could be weekly, bi-weekly, or even monthly. The key is consistency. When the market dips, your same dollar amount buys you more crypto. When the market is up, you're buying less. Over time, this averages out your purchase price, reducing the impact of volatility. Trust me, this strategy will save you a lot of stress and potential heartache in the long run. Remember, slow and steady wins the race, especially in the crypto world. Some of you might be thinking, isn't this going to take forever to build a decent portfolio? It doesn't have to. The amount you invest each time is up to you. Start small if you need to, but the most important thing is to just get started.
Next up, we have diversification. Diversification is absolutely crucial, no matter what you're investing in. In the crypto world, this means spreading your investments across different types of cryptocurrencies. You wouldn't put all your money into just one stock, right? The same goes for crypto. A good starting point is to look at established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are like the blue chip stocks of the crypto world. But don't stop there. Explore other promising projects with solid fundamentals. Look into different sectors within the crypto space, like DeFi, NFTs, or Web3. By diversifying, you're creating a safety net for your portfolio. If one asset underperforms, the others can help cushion the blow. Remember, a well-diversified portfolio is a resilient portfolio.
HODL on tight weathering the crypto storm. HODL, which originated as a misspelling of hold, has become a mantra for many crypto investors. It's all about having a long-term mindset and not getting shaken out by short-term market fluctuations. The crypto market is known for its volatility. Prices can swing wildly up and down, but remember, you only lose money if you sell. If you believe in the long-term potential of a project, sometimes the best thing to do is simply HODL on tight and weather the storm. This doesn't mean you should just hold on to every investment forever, no matter what. It's important to regularly reevaluate your portfolio and make sure your investments still align with your goals. For those promising projects you believe in, HODLing can be a powerful strategy.
Protecting your profits. Why stop losses are essential. Even though we're aiming for long-term growth, it's important to have some protection in place. That's where stop-loss orders come in. Think of stop losses like a safety net for your investments. It's an order you place to automatically sell an asset when its price drops to a certain level. This helps you minimize potential losses and protect your profits. The key is to use stop losses strategically to manage your risk and protect your hard-earned money.
Knowledge is power. Staying ahead of the crypto curve. One of the most important strategies of all research, and stay informed. The crypto world is constantly evolving. New projects are emerging all the time. To navigate this space successfully, you need to stay ahead of the curve. Follow reputable crypto news sources, read white papers, and understand the technology behind the projects you're investing in. Stick to established platforms and be wary of hype or unrealistic promises. The more you understand about this space, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions.
And there you have it, 5 beginner-friendly crypto investment strategies to help you start your journey on the right foot. Remember, investing in crypto does come with risks, so it's crucial to start small, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Which of these strategies have you tried, or which do you plan to? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. I'm excited to see you all crush it in the crypto world. Until next time, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. For more detailed information, visit our website. See you soon!